it's Frida with WTI, and I'm going to show you these casserole dishes from the FineDine store. They come with a set of 4, and I know it seems silly, but these are unique to me compared to other ones that I've had. I always just had your classic casserole dishes, random ones that I find at Goodwill or wherever, all stacked in together. These are really cool because they're a low profile. So the way they stack, they all fit inside the big dish. Does that make sense? I really like that because now I'm only using like literally this amount of space, whereas before I had all these random ones stacked on top of each other. Washer safe, they're oven safe, they're microwave safe, they clean up like a dream. I'm about to throw some lettuce wraps in for dinner. And then another thing I like, I'll show you. This, again, may sound silly, but it's the things we as moms have to deal with. They get really annoying. Cling wrap. Have you ever had some dishes that cling wrap absolutely will not stick to? These aren't it. These things are awesome. Like, literally, the cling wrap, like, you know how sometimes you can't pull them tight because it just comes right off? It's awesome! Oh, God, I don't know if I want to tip it upside down. That makes me nervous. I got my nerve up and tried it later, and it worked. Even though they didn't come with lids, I thought that was going to be a problem. It is totally not because the tin foil stays really easily on it and the cling wrap as well. So if you're looking for a good set and you're limited on kitchen space like I am, FineDine casserole dish set is definitely what you want to look into. And that's my point of view.